Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to undo in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, I'm gonna show you two ways. For the first way, is just simply go ahead and go to your windows over here. And from here, you should be able to see here history. So make sure to check this window over here. And as you can see, you will have here history. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here all of the actions that you did. And if you want to go back, just simply click on it. And after that, you will go back to that action and you'll be able to undo it. So from here, I think this is the best way to undo. It's just having a tab over here on history. Or if you want to do it one by one, just simply tap on your keyboard, Control and Z, and from there you'll be able to undo it one by one, as you can see over here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!